So what does that look like for you? What does all of this mean for you? How can you take any of these concepts back to your organization and start from where you are and get to somewhere that's higher performing, or maybe that incorporates more of these success criteria? And this is a self-assessment that Red Hat does anytime we go onto a client site where our customer is trying to start transformation. We want to figure out where each element is on this continuum. And the 5 element assessment is intended to help teams identify and break down the silos that exist within their organization and build more bridges. So we want to identify communities of practice, even anywhere that there's an area where there's a weak element. Like for example, if development is still pretty waterfall and is learning a little bit about Agile, or is kind of doing an Agile fall, right? Then maybe you need a development community of practice to start hammering down, okay, what are these Agile principles that we can take back and incorporate? Or how can we go from where we are and speed up the development process a little bit without breaking things or without deploying faulty code? And I'll also walk you through this because I know it can be a little ethereal. It can seem a little bit high level, and it's hard to grasp what that means or what you do about it if you choose to run a 5 element assessment. So I'll walk you through kind of what the assessment is, and then I'll also, as we go through it, I'll give you an example of a current client that we actually work with.